Well, good morning YouTube. This is a test of the EOS M6. It's a test on video and it's also a test on some still photographs on a scooter. So without further ado, we'll crack on and I'll spin you around and let you see the scooter. This is on 15mm. The lens is 15mm sound. It's going to be a bit wobbly because I'm jumping all over here. But never. I'll show you that this is a bit on the floorboard where the paint's blistering up. But it's solid. It's just the paint. I hope so. I'm going to rub it down like, but. Going to get busy now with bike rallies and what have you, so it may get left until the cooler months. But I'll strip all this off, that, and just tie that up all together. Like, I mean, there's a few pieces on this as well, like that need to be sorted out really. Like, I think it's probably been, I don't know. I don't know how they're, and this one's taking the side panel, let's just throw it on the ground. I don't know, but I mean the rest of the scooter's in really good condition. Like, there's a little beauty. It's just done 4,488 kilometres, which is 2,800 miles maybe, which isn't bad. Right. Well, that's a bit of the video sorted. That's a few photographs taken of the scooter. I'm going to put the drone up and try a bit with the drone on it, just practicing with all these camera things. And obviously this is a new camera to me, so I'm quite pleased with it so far, mind. Just sitting in the house last night, the pictures I took of it in this little 15 to 45mm lens, like, are pretty good actually, like, nice and crisp. But that's a few taken of the scoot of the Vespa PX125. So it's a beautiful morning here. Turn you back into this. I'm just seeing how this camera blinking handles the light. But anyhow, that's enough for now. We'll see you in a bit, folks.